Friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can fix your date and time. Suppose in your mobile phone there is a time problem or it may be time format, so how you can fix it, right? So you want to set 12-hour format, then how you can set it. So friends, before we set it and start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, here you have to click on setting. When you click on setting, from here you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling, then here you are going to find the option of the general management. So friends, here you have to click on general management. When you click on general management, from here you can see the date and time option. So here you have to click on date and time. After that, from here you can see the automatic date and time, but there is no option to fix your date and time. So how you can fix it, right? So first thing is that you just turn off your automatic date and time by just clicking on this icon. After that, here is the option of the set date. Okay, so click on set date, then you can fix from here the date. Okay, if suppose today is the September, but here it says the October, so how you can fix it, right? You can see here is the arrow. Just click on this arrow if you want to set September, and here is the November to set your November. Okay, this is the past and this is the present, so which one you want to select, you can select. Okay, after that you can select your numbers also, which date or the day also you can select. After that, here is the done option. Just click on done. Then here, if you want to fix your time, then you can fix your time from here. Okay, and you can select the AM PM also if you want to select. Then after that, click on done. Your time will be set successfully. After you have finished it, do not forget to turn on this automatic date and time. Okay, just turn on. Okay, then suppose your timing is here 20 to 42 hour. Okay, this is the 24-hour format. Okay, if you don't want to use this 24-hour format, then you just click on this icon. Here your 24-hour format will be turned off, and if you want to set this 24-hour format time, then again you just click on this icon. Here your 24-hour format time will be set on. Okay, so if you want to do off, then you can off, and if you want to use, then you can use. Okay, this is how you can use and off, or how you can fix your date and time on your Samsung phone. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.